Hello folks. So in this video we're going to deal with the lies again that these flat earth people tell, and in this particular one I'm going to begin by just going over one of the lies that was covered last week, but I'd just like to just go over a few points again. Okay, so here goes. So boats going over the horizon can be brought back with a P900, and they have done this experiment. Well, this is a lie, an outright lie. They have not done any such experiment because there is no camera, no P900, no P1000, no camera that can bring back a boat that has gone over the horizon. The fact that they say they have done this experiment is an outright lie. So, when objects move away from you, okay, they get smaller all over, in every direction. Top gets smaller, the sides get smaller, the bottom gets smaller. But you can still see all of it. So what does that mean? That means as it's going away, just like railroad tracks would converge together in the distance, objects get smaller and smaller as they go away from you. This is not the problem in this case. The object simply dips below the horizon. So you can see the object, and then as you progressively look at it, the bottom will disappear first. It's not that it's going away from you, getting smaller and smaller. You can observe this yourself. So this assertion that it disappears because it goes off into the distance is a lie. Objects go over the horizon bottom first. Eventually you see less and less, not smaller and smaller. So what do I mean by that? The boat dips below the horizon. You see the bottom of it go first, then bit by bit until the mast is gone as well. It is not going away from you, getting smaller and smaller. Okay, it is simply going down as if it was sinking. Again, you know this. This isn't new. You can look this up. You can see many photographs and videos showing this effect. There is no need to lie about it. Okay, and again, no doubt flat earthers have seen photographs where only the blades of wind turbines are observable. So there's many videos, there's many photographs where there's a wind turbine that's over the horizon, and all you get to see are the blades. In fact, some of these videos you can actually see the blades turning, and you can only see the blades. The rest of the stem, or the base of the turbine, is not visible because it is over the horizon. So the question is, why can't you zoom in and see the base of the turbine? Just like you allegedly can zoom in and see the boat. You reckon these people on Globe Light Tour, especially that Dave Murphy and that Dave that from Trinity 4 and Sven, particularly him, say things like you can bring the boat back and you can see the entire boat. You can zoom it in. When it goes over again, you can zoom it in again with a more powerful zoom and see the entire boat. Well, this is patently a lie. And they add to the lie by saying that they've actually done this experiment. Now, if you can do that, why can't you do that with the turbine? Why can't you see the rest of the turbine? Why are you not asking yourself this question, those of you who are following these charlatans? Okay, finally, how far do you think the sun is? How far do you think the moon is? How far do you think the stars are? And yet you can see them. You can see the sun, you can see the moon, you can see the stars. You can see them through the atmosphere. So, if that's the case, your claim that you can't see the boat because of the atmosphere, why is it you can see those things like the sun, mountains much further away, many kilometers away? In fact, you boast that there's photographs of hundreds of kilometers away. If you can see a mountain a few hundred kilometers away, why can't you see a boat that's just 3 kilometers away? You can't claim that you can't see the boat because of the atmosphere, when through this same atmosphere you can see a mountain that's tens of kilometers away. Can you see how you contradict yourself? You see how that's a contradiction? Why aren't you giving that some kind of thought if you actually care that what you believe in is true? Okay, I think that pretty much covers this one for the boat and that lie they keep perpetrating about boats going over the horizon. That alone should be evidence enough that there is a curvature. So this idea that we can't see curvature is an absolute nonsense. Stop lying to yourself. It does nothing for your credibility. It does nothing for this flat earth movement. Now, as I've said before, I'm happy to help, but I won't entertain the lies. Okay? Happy to look at things, at evidence that's factual. See you next time.